Unfortunately, we do see it time and time again that people come to us with a faulty system, and unfortunately there's nobody around to honour any warranty on it, and the only way is to rip the whole thing off and start again. And it's solar's meant to be a clean, green, environmentally friendly product, and unfortunately some of it goes to scrap. We get a lot of calls every day from homeowners, and it's the same story, that they bought a solar system 5 years ago, the installer's gone bust, the manufacturer's gone bust, there's no support for them. They don't know what to do, so they ring us and ask us to try and help them out. Really, these failing systems are generally because people have bought a cheap system at the start thinking that all solar is the same. And unfortunately, all solar is very, very different. There's a big difference from the bottom end of the market to the mid end of the market, and also to the top end. It's really important to do the research, get a quality product, and you really can't go wrong. It's a shame that all these manufacturers and installers have all disappeared. It's really important to choose someone, when you're doing your homework, choosing who to buy a solar system from, look at who they are. Is it all installed in-house? How long have they been around? What's their commitment to ongoing business in the area? Because otherwise you're really just asking for trouble.